Today's topic is pollution, and we'll study about anthropogenic pollution. Pollution caused by humans is called anthropogenic pollution. Anthropogenic pollution mainly gives rise to non-biodegradable pollutants which usually not get decomposed by organic decomposers, or it decomposes very slowly. Those pollutants which can be broken down into simpler, harmless substances in nature in the due course of time by the action of microorganisms like bacteria are called biodegradable pollutants. What are biodegradable pollutants? Like the domestic waste, garbage, fecal matter, sewage, cattle dung, animal bones, etc. These are biodegradable pollutants. So, human made pollutants are called anthropogenic. Biodegradable